Next, what we're going to work with is animations inside Ajax. This is just something a little different, it's a little fun, and it kind of gets you exposed to Ajax. So what I have right now in my code is I have a button that just says click on me. I'm going to add another break after it. And then I have a division. So when you preview it, it should come up, click on me, a little blue box. Good for me. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to use this concept of Ajax, or not Ajax, jQuery, to make the box move and animate a little bit. And the way I have to do that is I have to set up two different script tags. So my first script tag is going to be script source equals, and then this is a link you're going to use more often than not, is it's going to link up to a Google API, and you just kind of need to trust that this is what you're going to work with, because this is a source library for jQuery. So you have the script source, and this is saying all script tags must have a type attribute. So we're going to ignore that in this instance, just because this is going to be easier to ignore it. And then what we actually want it to do from there, we can code in a second script tag that's not associated to here. So we're going to do script, and then we'll end script. And again, it's going to be mad, but expression doesn't necessarily recognize jQuery. So we need to do a couple different things. In jQuery, and this is where it's kind of similar to PHP, which is a good interlude for it, you use a $sign to declare what we're searching for in the HTML document. So here it does recognize jQuery a little bit, and it wants a CSS selector. So for this first one, we're going to use document, because we're going to search the whole document, dot, it does have some stuff, dot ready. And then it's going to go function. We'll just call it function. Do a left brace, hit enter. We'll go ahead and do our end function. Our end function brace. Although it seems to also have here an additional, I see. Because this is the end right here of that. So we'll go like that. This right parenthesis belongs right here with this left parenthesis. So they're talking to each other. Now, what we want to have happen is when we click on the button, the box is going to move, come to life. So this time we're looking for anything to deal with the button, going to be that specific, and the action we want is going to be a click. So it's very similar to onClick. And we're going to, when that happens, we're going to run the function. And so here again, we will end our other function mate. So this ends button, and this ends document. And we're going to do this one more time to get the animation to come to life. So here, get set up, and we're animating the division. So we're going to tell it inside here to look for the division. You can use IDs. That works as well. And we're going to tell it to animate. And then we'll do a left parenthesis and a left brace to contain it all. And then we'll do a brace parenthesis semicolon end div. I'm gonna break up the videos into two parts for the next part here.